What's up, business builders? Are you ready to skyrocket your B2B lead generation in 2024? We are breaking down simple, effective strategies that can transform your B2B outreach. So let's get started. First things first, what's B2B lead generation? It's all about finding the right businesses that need your products or services. Think of it as matchmaking in the corporate world. Focus on high-quality prospects. It's like fishing in the right pond. You'll want to target those who really need and can afford what you offer. Think of it this way: quality over quantity. It's not about reaching everyone, it's about reaching the right ones. Like finding the perfect puzzle piece for your business. Embrace the power of AnyBiz.io for lead sourcing. Forget the manual grind of finding leads. AnyBiz.io uses AI to scan through countless profiles, picking out the most promising leads for you. And trust me, you will have a super smart AI assistant who knows exactly what you need, who is your customer, and how to interact with him. Automate your outreach. It's all about working smart. Send personalized messages to several prospects at once. Follow up 3-4 times, spacing out your messages over a week. Watch your response rate climb. Connect through LinkedIn or Twitter. Here is a fun fact: 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. Create content that showcases your expertise. Share knowledge through blogs, videos, or social media posts. This positions you as an industry leader and make prospects more receptive to your outreach. When they see you as an expert, they are more likely to engage and trust you. If you are still thinking about personal branding, time to start. People would prefer to buy from people, no matter what experts say, even if you are talking about B2B. And there you have it, your go-to guide for mastering outbound lead generation in 2024. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your top takeaway in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Catch you in the next video, where we turn strategies into action.